Burr. This is my bike check. So, first off, dude, you have holes in your underwear. Hey Burr, this is my bike check. Start at the top. We got Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, Cardinal Teal grips, real nice grippy. Don't get sweaty. S&M XLT Grand Slam bars. Get it. I really like the back loop on them. They're really nice, like that. Mission Component stem. Premium Solo Plus frame. The S&M Pickport bars. Premium Refuse Resist tires. Premium hubs. I got Primo front peg. Nice and slidey. My cranks. S&M cranks. Real nice. Odyssey PC pedals. Got an animal seat. And the Mechanics gold half-link chain. Premium Narstar sprocket. The premium back hub, 9-tooth driver. You know how it is. Back premium reviews resist tires, and front rim Alienation Defiant. Swag.
I'm a hipster.
Alienation plain back rim, or black sheep, my bad. And what's up?
I would ride a bike, but it's too mainstream.
Got